This is Lewis Oren with another math lesson for you today. Today we are going to be working on division with remainders. That means that if you divide the numbers, you are going to get more than just a whole number. You're going to also get a fraction next to it. So we have put together 5 steps to solve these types of equations. So the first one we're going to look at today is 19 divided by 9. So the first step, we are going to create a box. Next to the box, place a fraction line with the denominator, the bottom number, on the bottom. So the denominator here is 9. So what we're going to do, we've created a box, So we are going to put a 9 right here on the bottom. So we know 2 things. We know that the number in this box, in the square, will be a whole number, and we know that the number will also have a fraction, and 9 will be on the bottom. Now we know that a whole number will be there because the numerator is higher than the denominator. So now we're going to move on to step 2. Step 2, use your multiplication chart. Count from the denominator to the first number higher than the numerator. Now the denominator, of course, as we remember, is 9, and the numerator is 19. So we're going to go to our multiplication chart. So let's scroll down to 9. Here we are, 9. Right here. So we're going to count until we get past 19. So 1, 2, and 3. Now, we are already past 19. 27 is higher than 19, so 19 divided by 9 has to be less than 3. So we now know 9 times 2 is 18, so the answer will be higher than 2, but less than 3. So now, since we know that the whole number will be 2, we are now going to put the 2 in the whole number, right in the 9, right in the box right there, see? So, we now know that the whole number will be 2. So now, the only number left we need to find is this top number. Once we get the top number, we're done. So we're 2/3 of the way there. So now, let's go back to step 3. Once you find the first number higher than the numerator, go back one number, divide that number by the numerator, which we have done. We know that 18 divided by 9 equals 2, so we've got that so far. So now, place that answer in the box you drew. Excellent. We have gotten 4 steps in. Now the final step, step 5. Multiply the number in the box by the denominator. So we're going to multiply this 2 by this 9. So 2 times 9 equals 18. We already know that. Subtract that answer from the original numerator. So the numerator is 19, so 19 minus 18 equals 1. So now we have this 1. So the only number left to do is put the 1 right here as a numerator. So our answer is, we're going to make the right answer right here fully, 2 1/9. Ta-da!